All right, here we are pulling up to none other than Eventide headquarters in New Jersey.
Hi.
Hey guys. We're just in the front lobby checking out some stuff. These guys have won a serious number of tech awards over the years. This Rockstars, that's the award, tech award for the original H9000 Harmonizer in 1986. And we've come a long way. So H3000 today, the H9 guitar pedal. I want you to meet part of the genius behind Eventide. This is Nalia.
Hello.
Nalia,
Yes.
thanks for having us here.
Absolutely. Welcome. Welcome to Eventide.
Awesome. That's from the digital delay circuit board print right there.
The 1745.
This
digital.
predates things like random access memory.
Wow, look at that. That looks amazing.
He's doing an Instagram story.
Yeah.
I love the color scheme.
Well,
just
it's
alone.
red and blue tape, so those are the connections. That is where. Well, let's see.
All right, so the red is one side of the circuit board, and the blue is part of the other.
And black is both sides.
Right here is 20
We'll
milliseconds.
give you 20
of delay.
milliseconds of delay.
right.
And so if you took the wire from this and connected that to the DAC, you'd get 20 milliseconds. If you took the wire from the next row, you'd get 40 milliseconds.
Okay.
The next row, you get 60 milliseconds,
right.
and so on.
Great, so that's how you get different delay times.
That's how you get this.
This is the original, the OG Mad Laboratory right here. This is where it all
Check out
happens.
this stack of gear.
And you guys, Rockstars, you won't see Tony on the video here, but you may hear his voice.
So down here is that digital delay. And that's what I was describing before.
Oh, yeah.
20 milliseconds, 40 milliseconds.
No.
There were 0 digital audio devices, period, before this box.
Oh, that's right, because you guys introduced the first digital processors. Yeah.
Well, it's not even the processor. Really, the main reason that this came to be was just to replace a tape machine. What was happening in recording studios is they were replacing their echo chambers with plate reverbs. The difference between a plate and a room is there's no initial pre-delay.
Yeah.
So they use tape machines to feed the plates. Tape machines are a pain in the ass. So the main reason to have this was to replace the tape machine.
So there's the instant flanger, the actual hardware, and then another instant flanger. All right, cool. And then we've got Monster Mat. I don't know what that is. It's great.
It's a monostereo matrix.
Okay.
Now this is a phaser. What's interesting about this is before it was possible to make a flanger. This is totally analog, and it's also before LEDs. These are incandescent bulbs. There were no LEDs back when that was designed.
Oh, right. And I love the instant phaser because I use this on a record and put it on the guitars, and
It really sounds different than a flange. Well, it's not delay. It's analog phase shift networks.
It sounds.
We go into detail on our website.
And I feel like Big Star was using this stuff a lot too.
I'm sure they were. Just listening to those records, I'm sure they were.
Vocals
So
or something.
when the Harmonizer came out, the thought was people would use it to create harmonies. So we shipped it with a keyboard.
Oh, and that's the keyboard right there?
Well, that's, yeah.
Oh, amazing.
So
It's
this was as you can see, if you read those words, it was a rental.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, cool. Nice. Well, now
So the notion here is you'd
now we
play.
know where to find you guys, right?
You'd play the center, and that'd be unison,
All right.
and you move up a whole step.
You've got your harmonies. You just,
Yeah. So
you can just
like Elton
change your
John used
harmonies
this
in
a lot.
real time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's part of the lounge, Rockstars, and you can see you need to have proper influence. I'm not sure what famous musicians these folks are.
We call it the crazy Thanksgiving dinner or
The
Christmas
crazy
dinner.
things, Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
But I think Rockstars, you should know who that is right there.
Yeah.
Everybody needs fuel for creating great things. So this is Christian. Hi, Christian. How you doing? We're in one of the dark rooms where
This is the dark rooms. Yeah, we're vampires.
Patrick.
Man. Don't keep the light on. I'm just opening it up, installing.
This is the inside of a 9000 right there.
Yes, sir. We're installing these things, Dante cards inside of it.
And see the extra space in there, Rockstars? That's for your genius ideas to go. Fill it with music. Right?
Whatever you want.
And this is an important detail too. Here, these guys were in New Jersey, and these guys actually ran an hour down the street to Menlo Park, and they stole this from the Edison Laboratory directly.
We got more, man. We stole a handful.
Too. They came back and they brought it in.
We got a little moose head over there.
Got a moose head in here too. All kinds of cool stuff.
Oh, yeah,
going on.
the Rackadoom.
Rackadoom.
Yeah, this is Pat's
Rackadoom.
Got my Shrek mug. You gotta have a Shrek mug.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Dude, I got a Shrek right on the console. And this, so we're going into another secret room. This is Jackson. Hey, Jackson. Nice to meet you. You can't see forward, Rockstars. You can only see me looking at secrets for what's to come in this room. Cool stuff. All I can tell you is that it looks like Christmas unwrapped.
If you've ever seen
print stuff.
If you've ever seen the Armadillo release video, where it was the H9 algorithm and we did like this Western theme,
Yeah.
the guys are wearing these belt buckles that say H9 Armadillo.
Oh, and that's
Printed those
right.
here.
Awesome. Love it. It's production. We're getting ready to get boxed up and shipped out to you. Did you get one yet? Because this could be yours. Could be coming. That's so cool.
Yeah, we also have
So shiny rack version. So check this out. So if you don't really need the front face, you can control this all just straight from your computer, but have all the processing in your rack, which could be very cool in a studio situation or even in a live rig where you don't want to change anything, you just want to set it and forget it. The big lab. It's getting ready to go out and shipping, I guess. So look at that. H9's ready to go. It looks like maybe they're in test mode right now.
Yeah, they are all in test mode.
That's wild. Test rig for an H9000. Just the test rig needs its own H9000 just to operate.
Pretty much.
It actually needs an H9000 just to test the H9000. Look at that. It's amazing. That'll make you feel a lot better about your patch bed in the studio. So cool.
Things like that.
Rockstars, these are like non-audio studio related things. These are recorders that will record in you say air traffic controllers.
Air traffic control, 911, the UN, military installations.
Wow.
They're called Nextlog.
So, if you're gonna want somebody making equipment to capture your audio in the studio and treat it with great care, maybe you want somebody who's actually making it for the military themselves, because they can't mess that up. It's great. These are just parts. That's just like as many resistors and capacitors and chips and things as you could ever imagine. This can all go into these, and then they come over here when they're ready, and they all get shipped out.
Yeah.
Rockstars, that inside that box is an H9000. It's coming back to the toy box. It's going to go down to Bonnaroo with us. And it's going to be doing whatever else it can do all the time. Ciao. See you guys in the studio. All right, Rockstars, I hope you enjoyed seeing inside Eventide. To me, that was really amazing. And it's just so cool to see how hard all these people are working to bring us great stuff for our studios. It's just a reminder that like the very same people that are making the tools we use are just like you and I, just working really hard to try and make great things. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Oh yeah, and you gotta go to eventide.com to learn more about Eventide. Check out their great stuff. Cheers.